This is the 3F UL 40 litre plus rucksack. It's frameless, weighs 850 grams. It's got all sorts of straps. I've taken this out a couple of times now, and it's performed really well. There's pockets on the belt. For the frame, you can use a sleeping mat, which makes a nice comfy backrest on there. There's plenty of adjustments on the straps. There's places to hook things on, as well as a little whistle on there. It's not really much cop, but it's better than nothing. That's the chest strap. You got a strap to hold it all in place. One around the middle, one around the top. The top is a roll down type. It's a semi-waterproof material, so it'll keep showers out. But I did have it in heavy rain and some did get through. So only short bursts is good for. You've got straps for the sides, big pockets underneath. These are enough to hold the bottles of water. You could put 2 half-litre bottles, 500 ml in there. And the same the other side. This actually rolls way bigger than it looks. You've got room to put as much as you want in here. That's why they call it a 40 litre plus. So you look at the size of that now. I mean, you're not going to fill all that up, are you? But it's nice to have the option if you want. Trying to think of some negatives now, because everything's got to have a nice negative. I've heard some reports of the belt ripping off. Now, it seems quite solid for me at the moment. I've only had it on about 3 outings, so time will tell with that, but so far it looks fine. So that's your belt strap. It's all lightweight material. Yeah, I've got a bit harder wearing material on the bottom. So that's the normal sort of material you'd get on a rucksack. But the rest of it, if you can see that, it's a nice sort of material. Feels comfy to wear. Yeah, thoroughly recommended. Good little bag, this one. Seemed to manage to fit all my stuff in there, which I had in a 65 litre rucksack. I can now fit it in this thing. And it weighs much less than my old rucksack, so it's a win-win.